In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the topic, why do you need to have a webinar? Webinars are a great medium to train people and sell your product or your services. If you're a professional trying to sell your specialty skills, creating a webinar can help you reach more clients. If you want a particular marketed target in selling your products, creating a webinar can help you sell your products to these target markets. So what are the advantages of having a webinar? It creates awareness. Webinars can be a way of reaching out to people in understanding a particular area or topic of your expertise. People may not be aware that something or a product giving a solution to their problems exists until you show it to them. Educate or train people. By using webinars, you can educate people or train them as future employees of your company. People may see you as an educator talking to them confidently. They may notice how you speak and deliver your message to them. It may even give them the impression of you as an expert to what you're discussing to them. In the end, they will look up to you and remember you as the expert educator. An engaging session. Using live webinars in particular, you may create a rapport with your audience. They already see you as the expert, so whatever you say, they believe that is true and correct. When they ask you questions, they know that the answers they will receive will come from a reputable source. You can sell anything you want. By making use of live webinars, you may introduce your product, skill, or service to your audience. You can help them be aware of their problem and lead them to the benefits that they can have by purchasing your product. You can guide them through how the product works and pitch your product just similar to a live physical seminar where they introduce a new product, a new training or course, or service to their audience. As a result, most of the audience are willing to buy right away. It is cost-effective, as these webinars can be accessed via any computer with an internet connection in just a click of a button. It will cost less than a seminar done in a live physical setting. People will be able to afford it and know that it will be far more reasonable to purchase. In addition, people don't need to attend your presentation physically in person. They don't have to pay for transportation, book hotels, don't have to wear semi or formal attire for the seminar. They can access it anytime, anywhere, and even multiple times. Webinars can be a useful tool to reach a wide variety of target markets for the entrepreneur, large businesses, companies, educators to teach and introduce a product or specialty services to sell anytime, anywhere from across the globe. Live webinars in particular is a highly converting sales pitch where you can sell any high-end course, products, or service because people do understand clearly through your expertise the importance of what you are offering, that you are the one person they should trust in purchasing it no matter the cost, because they believe that the benefits outweighs the cost of the product. To start using webinars for your business, a good recommendation for a webinar hosting platform to deliver a successful online webinar to your clients is the WEBINARLOOP. The link for accessing this platform is